Parrot. What color? Are they this? You know what do you call lovebirds? What is it? What do you call them? Hanging. Would they hang upside down?
Yes.
Hey?
Yes, sleeping time, hanging parrot.
Like a bat.
Yeah, sort of.
How they hold themselves if they upside down, madam? The bar and they go upside down.
Yeah.
So these parrots, madam, are born in cages.
I'm not sure.
Yes, you let them go, they cannot survive. Some are born in the cages. You got to feed them and keep them there. It's not like they're flying outside. You catch and put them inside, but they cannot. So these birds, you cannot let them go. They are born. They are born. In this Madam, they don't know what to eat. Another bird will come eat them. You think what outside all very nice, huh? The kaka will come attack them. All this, everything will attack them because they don't know. They have. See, madam, when the birds are like a goldfish, okay? Can you put a goldfish in the river? என்ன ஆயிரும் மித்தமீன் போடிச்சு அது பி போவோம் சர்வை பண்ண முடியுமா யாரும் வந்து பிச்சு அடிச்சு போடுறோம் they cannot survive like that. Some of these animals, they are meant for cages. Like some of the fish are made for aquariums. You cannot put them outside, they cannot survive. There's outside another big world outside, in the river, in the skies. அது ஒரு இன்னொரு உலகம் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு மேடம். You understand? So you have to keep them in the cage. And what was wrong with the bird?
She had growth on her head. Few like 4-5 growth. So
4-5 what can go outside the scene?
Outside.
But they're full of feathers. How did you see the growth?
It was quite big, round, bulging out.
Okay, for one of them.
One of them, the female.
Okay.
So I took her to the veterinarian. They checked and they told me that they can't do anything. Specialist kondu po sonna.
How specialist is it? Parrot specialist.
Illa animals. Certain hospital.
Too much adala. அதுக்குள்ளே ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட். சரிமா அப்புறம்? So
எங்களுக்கு அந்த இது இல்ல, we can't take. So I told my son, never mind, let's try
healing.
I did. I think within a week. Within a week. Gone.
All gone, huh?
All gone. She was fine. But actually so sad. Now the earlier the photo எடுத்து
that's why we don't have the concept of படம் பிடிச்சு போவோம் before healing now, huh? Because we saw doubt. இது வேலை செய்யுமா doubt இருந்துச்சு.
Yeah, true.
When one boy came, madam, he had so much of eczema, madam. Pus used to come out. Today the boy is totally fine. He took pictures and kept. So much of pus, madam. Pus coming on the body. The boy didn't go to school for 1 year. You know why, madam? Because the skin was so bad condition. He used to put tissue paper and sleep at night for the pus to come out. Today is fine. And he had all the pictures and we are going to share the pictures. Adamari, madam. Sometimes it's not our presence of mind to do all of this. It's like, we do also, we doubt it. Huh? Good, madam. Good. First time I'm seeing somebody healing a parrot. நான் இப்போலாம் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன், ஹார்ஸே பார்த்துருக்கேன். ஆனால் நீங்கள் வந்து பேரட்டே பண்ணுங்க. வெரி குட் மேடம். அதுக்கு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் இருக்கு. எப்பா மனசு தான் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட், பேரட் பேர்ட்ஸ் கூட